Wow, the light is just amazing, incredible. Yeah, it does smell a bit of smoke in the road. As you can see, it's all blowing in. I'm not sure why they burn it. Maybe it's to do with helping the nutrients go back into the soil for the next load of plant they grow. What a cool bridge. How cool, that's just a bridge for motorbikes.
Em đợi đâm máu
Thank you. Good. Can I set them that? Yeah. Brilliant. Alright, all aboard. Alright, so we're on our way to the light show via boat. It's just filming video. You just put it in the water. Right, here it goes. Thank you. Come on. Xin chào.
Okay.
That's super. Thank you. Alright, we're on our way up. Yeah, the show was alright, but I thought it was a bit weird, and perhaps I was a little bit bored at times. But yeah, still cool.
Yên tĩnh. Yên tĩnh. Dạ nó bằng hơn. Yên tĩnh là